In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Go high-level support quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you're most comfortable using. Once it's open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the browser window. Here, you'll want to type in Go High Level. You're essentially searching for the platform's official website, so hit enter and you'll be directed to a search results page. On this page, look for the option that reads gohighlevel.com. This is the official website link that you want to click on in order to access the Go High Level platform. Once you click this link, you'll be directed to their homepage. Now, to proceed to the next step, you need to log into your account. To do this, simply look for the login option on the site. You may find this at the top right-hand corner, so click on it and go ahead and enter your login credentials. This will be your registered email and password. Follow any additional prompts if required and successfully log into your account. Now that you're logged in, locate the question mark icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you spot this icon, give it a click. This is a gateway to a multitude of support resources tailored to assist you. Clicking the question mark icon opens up the Help and Support menu. This is your comprehensive resource center. Right here, you will find a variety of options to suit your support needs. For instance, if you're seeking immediate assistance or personalized guidance, you can choose to join a Zoom call with a Go high-level expert. You'll also have the chance to watch onboarding video tutorials, which can be incredibly helpful if you're new to the platform. If you prefer to read instead, consider visiting the Help Center. This repository is packed with articles and frequently asked questions that might have the answers you're looking for. Moreover, for those who value community support, you can join the Facebook group. This offers a space to connect with other Go high-level users, share experiences, and possibly get tips and tricks from fellow users. Don't miss out on the welcome course as well, particularly beneficial if you're just getting started. And for direct communication needs, you can access the Contact Us phone number where you can reach out to a support representative. Lastly, you can also check out upcoming high-level events where you might find learning opportunities and webinars. Thank you for joining this walkthrough. By utilizing the resources we've just explored, you'll have no trouble contacting Go high-level support and getting the help you need.